Hello and welcome to the AskDrMask podcast. I'm inviting you to ask questions you want to have answered from a resident of pathology. Yes, I want you to not lay on the autopsy table just in front of me in the morning. I actually want to enjoy my breakfast, and I will contribute to make your life better every day. Few videos answering, that's the best case scenario, your questions. So, first of all, exercise. Every day do a few push-ups. Don't be afraid. Eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. Foods high in protein, omega-3, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds, fish, and avoid all this processed junk. So, that's just the basic formula. If you want to know more about how to make your life better, just follow the YouTube channel and ask your questions in the comments. See you around.